In this video, we'll be taking a deeper look at the threads that build the Tree Viper by Pelican rope. This radical new design features almost zero milking. It is a 24-strand arborist climbing rope available in 4 different sizes. The firm 11.8 diameter has an exceptional feel and reduces hand cramps. You can expect extraordinary performance for single rope and double rope techniques. It is designed specifically for rigorous climbing and available with factory tie-dye splices. We built the Tree Viper to stay firm and flexible for optimal performance in all climbing hardware and hitches. We've been building rope in the US for over 40 years. This is the Tree Viper, and we're the most trusted name in rope. Climb with confidence.